So every year we host a friend's Christmas at the beginning of December, so I thought I would show you our Christmas table setup for this year. I've teamed up with Dobbies again this year, and my table is inspired by their Dreaming of Christmas trend. It's all about warm colours and natural textures, and I've picked out some of their decorations and homeware bits to style the look. I also made this Pampas grass table decoration, which you can see hanging behind me, and I'm also going to walk you through how I pulled this whole look together.